Welcome to a technical channel. Here, we aim to provide best solutions to your daily problems in very simple, easy to understandable ways. Keep watching this channel and subscribe. Dear viewer, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to remove background of a picture in Adobe Photoshop as shown for this particular picture. There are many different ways. Here in this video, I will teach you how to remove background using the background eraser tool. Watch this video completely till end, do not miss any step. If you do not have subscribed to my channel, then please subscribe it for my upcoming videos. Let us start. Create the duplicate layer for the picture. For good results, I would recommend you to create a solid color layer under the image with a blue background. First, make a selection of the picture. Make sure the desired layer is selected. You can start erasing background directly without selecting the picture, but I will make a selection so that any part of my picture would not affect. I am using the quick selection tool to select the picture. Make the brush setting here like brush size, hardness, spacing, and increase or decrease the tolerance. For the complete guide on how to use selection tools in Photoshop, please watch my video on selection included in this playlist. Fine-tune the selection by using the polygonal lasso tool as shown. You can use any other tool according to the picture requirements. After completing the selection, we will erase the background in two parts. In first part, we will be erasing surrounding part of picture. To select the surrounding part, press and hold Ctrl and Shift key, then press A button on the keyboard. Select the background eraser tool and hold down the mouse left button and start dragging the mouse. You will notice that background will start erasing. While erasing, you will notice that eraser will not affect your picture area and you can freely erase. And blue color starts appearing, which mean background is being erased, and the lower layer with blue color start appearing. In this second part, we will be erasing background underneath of hair, which is complicated. We will set brush hardness to 0, tolerance to about between 30 and 40. And start erasing background. Select background color by left click of the mouse and start erasing without releasing the mouse left button. Now the background of the picture has been erased, and you can change background color of this picture by change the color of solid layer as shown, or place it on any beautiful scene. I hope this video will help you, and if you have any question, please write me in the comments box and I will reply to you shortly. If you think that this video was helpful to you, then please subscribe to my channel and push bell button for the notification of my upcoming videos.